Now to the COVID-19 pandemic. Cases are surging across the state again, prompting new restrictions today from the governor. Health officials reporting more than 3,700 new cases of the virus in the past day. Statewide positivity rate is up to 5.5%. That's the highest level since early June. In response to those rising cases, the governor says he does have a resurgence plan in place.
And WGN's Patrick Elwood now live at the Thompson Center with more on that. Patrick?
Good evening, Ray and Micah. It's unwanted, unwelcome news in general, but for bars and restaurants, even more of them, it could be the final straw.
If you're getting tired and you've let your guard down, now is the time to pick it back up.
Governor Pritzker today on the step back soon to be happening in the state's Region 7, Will and Kankakee counties, and Region 8, Kane and DuPage counties. Those two regions hit the fail-safe level Tuesday. So beginning this Friday, indoor services at bars and restaurants will be prohibited and gatherings will be limited to 25 people or less.
It is not easy to take the right path. Sometimes taking the right path is quite hard, and that's very true in this situation we have here. But with your support and understanding, Illinois will avoid a much tougher situation than we find ourselves today. We still have a lot of work to do.
The governor says $14 million has already been awarded to small businesses in the 4 affected counties, and more money is available. He says he readily knows that many businesses are struggling.
There is no easy fix for the effects of this virus on our economy and on our public health. But we will manage through this. We're Midwestern tough here in Illinois.
Pre-COVID, Illinois supported 595,000 jobs in the bar and restaurant industry. Many of those have been lost to this state. And Sam Toya, the executive director for the Illinois Restaurant Association, says money from the state is good, but the big money, sustaining money, must come from Congress like it did for the airlines.
We both know that the city of Chicago, the state of Illinois are having their own fiscal crisis right now. The real money is going to come at the federal level out of a stimulus bill. And within the stimulus bill, we need the Restaurant Act, where there's $120 billion for grants to restaurants, not just here in the city of Chicago and the state of Illinois, but throughout the country.
The service sector is the #1 private employer here in Illinois and many other states as well. Coming up at 10, an update on this story, including how many bars and restaurants have already gone under since the start of the pandemic. Reporting live outside the Thompson Center, Patrick Elwood, WGN News.
All right.